Good morning. It is a beautiful day, and we are on our way to a town just outside of Baltimore, Maryland. And I'm really champing at the bit because I haven't been trash picking in like 14 hours now. I'm getting hungry. Hungry for junk, that is. So we're on our way, and I'll catch up to you when we find the first pile. I almost thought we weren't going to find any piles today, but there's one. This pile usually has a lot of stuff in it, but it's also usually crap. So let's see what we got. The Tin Man's hat, and some art, and some things, and more art. Wow. We came all the way to Iowa just for this pile. All right, let's go to the next one. So it's very overcast right now. Looks like it's gonna rain, but it also looks like it's raining junk on me. Like this beautiful extension cord and a bunch of empty gas cans. Let's see, the Mongoose bike that I don't want. The Schwinn bike that I don't want. Yeah, those are crappy bikes in crappy condition. The wheelbarrow. But hey, we'll take our extension cord because that is some orange spaghetti. And we love orange spaghetti. All right. This pile represents a dilemma, which is, should I take the rug or should I not take the rug? Because this looks like a pretty decent rug. And decent rugs are usually worth like minimum $100. But rugs are a big pain in the ass to deal with. So I'm gonna leave this one for the next person. And the lamps and the toys and stuff. And we'll go back to the Camry and move on to the next pile. Well, wouldn't you know it, I forgot to hit record on the camera when I came to this pile 2 seconds ago. So let me recreate this for you. Here's where the vacuum cleaner is, and there was a cord on it, and I cut the cord off of it, and then I went over to this part of the pile, over here past these boards and stuff, and here's this little steam cleaner, and this cord was on there, and I cut that cord off of there, and then this flower pot accidentally went out into the street, so I grabbed it and put it back in the pile. And then I grabbed the cords and walked back to the Camry. So that's what happens when you forget to press record on the camera. You have to recreate the scene. And now that I've recreated the scene, I'm gonna put these cords in the trunk and we'll go shoot another scene. All right, here's another pile for us to check out. And there's address labels on there. So you can see my hand, but it's pretty much just empty boxes. Here's some lids for pans. Cat litter pan, empty boxes, garbage bag that doesn't feel like it has anything in it, garbage bag full of empty boxes. But look down here. I see action figures. I see Greedo in this bag. You know what? We're gonna go through this bag, see what we can find. Don't want to make too much of a mess. But yeah, look at this. That's a cast iron horse thing. Old magazine. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in when I finish, but that's like a Family Guy character. And ew, Princess Leia's hair buns. Chinese lady, Spider-Man. Come on, Greedo. I know I saw Greedo in here. Like some McFarlane accessory. Is that an old Greedo? No, it's not an old Greedo, but it's Greedo. Come on, man. Let's see anything in here. This looks like a bag of stuff where they really didn't intend to throw out anything good, but they just sort of accidentally threw out a couple of good things. Pencil. Alright, so I guess we got a couple of action figures. Like an old answering machine in here. And I'm going to put all this stuff back in the bag. Hold on a second. Well, here's the answer to the Super Shooter mystery. It's in their other garbage bag. And here's a Sega Game Gear. Wow, that's a beat up Sega Game Gear. A lot of Asian stuff in here. These people are probably like from Japan. Alright, so I'm not really seeing much else in this bag. Yeah, we'll tie that one up too. So there are the bags tied back up like they should be. And we got Repro Cast Iron Horse and Carriage, Greedo, McFarlane Dude, Peter Griffin, I think it's Peter Griffin, Spider-Man, my magnet, which allowed me to check to see that this stainless was actually non-magnetic, and this interesting photocopied book, Introduction to Computer Programming, dated 1963. So I'm gonna read that and learn computer programming. See? All right, not a bad little score. Sometimes you gotta dig through the bags, right? This is definitely something you don't see every day. In fact, I almost never find these. This is what's called a pedal car, because if you flip it upside down and look at it, it's got pedals. And when you pedal the pedals, the back wheels go around. Now this pedal car looks like it was in what they call a fender bender, because this is the fender and it's bent. I hope the driver was all right. But even though the fender is bent, and even though the car clearly has several coats of paint that may not be original, this car looks like it's maybe kind of a valuable car. I mean, what is that, a 57 Chevy? A Ford? A DeSoto? A lot of the time they don't put the brand of the car on it for licensing purposes, but I would say this thing's probably worth a couple, $2, $3. So I'm going to take it. Look at that, an American car in the back seat of a Japanese car. I think that's what they call meta. That's very meta, I think. I think I'm gonna call this video Trash Picking with Greedo, Pedal Cars, and Recreating the Scene. That sounds good. This town is a pretty small route, and there aren't a lot of piles out, so there isn't any reason to stay here and keep doing the route over and over again. But there is one last pile here on this last dead-end street, so we'll check this out and see if there's anything worth taking. Let me hop out of the car here. Let's see what we got. One of these phony fireplaces that has a cord. Garbage bags full of like towels and crap. This used to be a screwdriver set. See that? It's the clamshell from a screwdriver set. Really just a bunch of crap. Let's see. An old Vornado fan, umbrella, tennis rackets. I guess we can take the Louisville Slugger, right? I don't really like the plastic baseball bats, but aluminum and wood I'll take. This thing right here, Honeywell electronic air cleaner, nah. Some books. These are just like real crappy books. It's like an interesting metal panel with an ibex on it. I don't even think that's homemade though. It's got a weird. And some more garbage bags and a piece of dirty old carpet. So I guess we'll take the bat. We don't want the 1989 Cheyenne gunslingers. And that's about it. Last pile on a pretty slow day on a little route here just south of Boise, Idaho. We did find that pedal car, so that's really cool. And I want to say that I appreciate you guys riding along with me trash picking today. So until next time, thanks for watching.